The letter. The letter. Some things are better left unsaid.
Bakit kaya niya ako iniwan?
Some emotions kept.
I'm sorry, hindi ko nasabi sa'yo how much I loved you before. Sobrang mahal kita, and I even let you go.
Mga mabibigat na saloobin na hindi madaling sambitin.
I hate you. You ruined my life. You ruined my life.
Pagmamahal, pasasalamat, pag-alala, o simpleng lihim na pagtingin.
Alam naman natin pareho na hindi pagiging magkaibigan yung kinikilos natin. Pero yung pinapadama mo sa akin, yung kinikilos mo towards me, it's more than that. I can honestly say na I love this person.
Don't keep it to yourself any longer. You have a friend in Papa Jack. The letter. The letter. Sulat na.
Watching the shadows burning in the dark, and I'm in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own dream.
Mga kaibigan, writing a letter for someone is very important, or isang tao na alam mong mayroong okupadong espasyo sa ating mga buhay o puso. Bagamat hindi naging bahagi ng buhay mo. Yung mga taong once upon a time, tinitigan mo sila at sinabi mo, sana maging kami. O di naman kaya, habang nakatingin ka sa kanya at sinabi mong, sana kahit papano, makita niyang existing pala ako. We've got so much for people na minsan itong mga taong ito walang idea na malaking bahagi pala ng ating pang-araw-araw ang ginagampanan nila para kahit paano ngumiti tayo. O hindi naman, simpleng gagawa ka lang ng sulat because, you know, na there are things in life you'd rather write than say kasi baka magkamali ka ng gamiting pangungusap. Write a letter and send it to our program, www.loveradio.com.ph, and who knows, mabigyang daang natin yan. Kung hindi naman, at least nakapagsulat ka ng galing sa puso, it will do the job. Gagaan yung pakiramdam mo. Tonight, our first letter is a letter coming from Lani para kay Joff. Ayan. Si Lani po ay 25, si Joff po ay 26, na taga-Sampaloc po ang ating letter sender at yung pag-aalala niya ng sulat ay nasa Dubai. Ang kabuuan ng sulat ni Lani para kay Joff, mga kaibigan, pakinggan po natin. Here we go.
TLC.
True Love Conversations.
The letter. The letter. TLC. The letter. The letter. The letter.
Sabi ng letter ni Lani for Joff. Dear Joff,
The letter.
first of all, I wish na sana mapakinggan mo itong salubin kong ito. Honestly, kahit magkalayo tayo nung sagutin kita, Joff, masayang-masaya ako sa araw na yon. Akala ko, napakawalan ko na yung taong gusto kong mahalin at alagaan. Kahit sa mga short message mo, ramdam kong sinceridad sa mga sinasabi mo sa akin. And I know you are the answer to all my prayers. Hindi ko inaasahan na may nag-iisa pang katulad mo. You always said na kahit malayo tayo sa bawat isa, basta may tiwala tayo, magiging matatag tayo. Yes, I have a strong faith sa iyo that we'll be together in the right time. Joff, I love you and I will always be here for you. Aantayin kita. Alam kong magiging masaya tayo in the right time. Hindi ako nawawala ng pag-asa at iingatan ko kung ano man yung meron tayo ngayon. Dahil ramdam ko at nakikinikinita ko na magiging masaya tayo. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan at mag-iingat din ako lagi dito gaya ng lagi mong bilin sa akin. Joff, mahal na mahal kita. Nagmamahal. Lani.
I can feel you calling. There's no place that I'd rather be. Just here with you, sleeping. If only in my mind. Until then I'll sleep.
Mga kaibigan, masarap pakinggan ang bawat pangako when you are with someone na talagang you can see future. Diba? At alam mo na pag pinag-uusapan ng future na andun siya. Now, there are those people, mga kaibigan, that when we dream of our futures, lagi silang nandun. These are the people na alam mong makaaway, makabati mo man, makaaway man ng 10 times kahit isang beses lang yung bati ninyo, you'd always wanna be with them. You would always be grateful na nandyan sila at may presensya sila sa buhay natin. You know, sa umpisa ng relasyon, love will give you, I've always said this sa ating programa, love will always give you all the reasons to stay together. And it's very easy to commit. Sana pag dumating yung time that, di ba, when love is giving you all the reasons to back out, I hope you are still committed to stay. Doon nasusubok, mga kaibigan, totoong kahulugan ng commitment. When you are no longer happy, but you believe, you have faith, diba, that is only a phase that you're gonna go through and then everything will be okay again, then, bakasyon na nga. I'm playing a song para po sa ating mga tagapakinig na in love ngayon. It's a song by Miss Dionne Warwick, mga kaibigan. Sabi niya, I'll never love this way again. Well, every love story is unique, mga kaibigan, kahit na ikaw pa yung karakter sa nakaraang kwento. Pag iba na yung partner, ibang kwento na yan. Never compare, mga kaibigan, your love life right now sa kung ano meron ka dati. It's going to be unfair for you and for your partner. 832-6171 or 1-800-10-100-5683. Here we go.
You looked inside my fantasies and made each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. I've kept the memories one by one since you took me in. I know I'll never love this way again. I know I'll never love this way again, so I keep holding on before the good is gone. Reaching back for yesterday, I won't turn my head in sorrow if you should go away. I'll stand here and remember just how good it's been, and I know I'll never love this way again. Before the good is gone, I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I know I'll never love this way again, so I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on, hold on. I know I'll never love this way again, so I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I'll
Don't hold back anymore, because when you think all's lost, there's always the letter with your friend, Papa Jack. The letter. Sulat na.